make a wish.
I already did.
Make another one. What are you digging for now? It's a star fruit. Try it.
Could you not just buy an apple?
It tastes like apple-flavored sweet tarts, okay? Just try it before you complain and stop writing me. Why do you always have to
Don't
write
you start. Don't you even dare, not even after Nashville.
Nashville? What does Nashville have to do with a star fruit? That was 2 months ago. You need to get over it, okay?
Get over it?
I think you're going
Let
crazy.
things go?
I think
You're the one
crazy.
who just needs to let things go. She gave you that shirt, didn't she? And you kept it.
I bought this shirt at the thrift store, okay? The thrift store. I bought it myself with my own money. What are you digging for now? What? That is my cell phone. Give me that. Give me the phone. That is my phone. This doesn't interest you at all.
That was her last night. That was her text messaging.
Listen, you little retard. This is my phone, okay? Nothing in there interests you. I don't have any text messages on my phone. You're just making up stuff. I just knew something was up. She'd keep getting text messages late at night.
He was texting her?
Yeah, but early in the morning, she had already deleted them.
Can you believe her? That's terrible.
I should have known, but anyway, thanks for picking me up, ladies. I probably would have starved. All I had were these things.
What are these things?
Oh, it's a star fruit. It's pretty good. It tastes like apple sweet tarts.
Hungry and had such an awful day.
It's getting
What?
worse. That car right there.
Oh.
It's actually her. Can you pull over by it? Let's see what. What's wrong with it now? Did you put gas in it?